birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
All right, today we're going to bring a wireless voice amplifier with handheld microphone. This is a portable unit. If you guys can see, it comes with a bunch of different accessories. You got the type C, type A, and then the SD card, and of course a microphone input if you want. Now this whole system has a display screen that displays all the battery, and also on top of it they give you a strap, a USB type C, and the instructions. And of course you got 3 knobs: the volume, the echo, and the effect. And that's pretty much it. The microphone itself has a power button, it has plus and minus, and also the mic. So that's pretty much what it is. So let's take a look at it.
Se pregunta, nadie sabe qué es. Un carro viejo que viene pitando, las llantas, el motor y sí, como revés.